Sometimes it can happen like that. Conditions in England are a lot different to what Indian cricket has been playing in. Sometimes it happens that way. It's called a bit of dressing room pressure. I know both teams haven't played a lot of Test cricket lately, but that's the way it goes. You get on a bit of a roll. Going into that last day, they still had Virat Kohli and Ajinkya Rahane at the crease. Those two needed to put on a big partnership. You lose an early wicket, that can happen. So it's a one-off Test match. I wouldn't be too concerned. I like to think so. You've got to back yourself, and when I walked off the field at the end of the day, it wasn't whether we won or lost, it's whether I backed myself in a certain situation. And you've got to work out your strengths, your weaknesses, and Travis Head he's in good form, but he's an aggressive, quick scorer. So sometimes to have a guy at the other end who's just pushing the singles, getting you on strike, keeping the scoreboard ticking over, it's perfect. So that partnership was vital. I think Smith he knows the game very well and played at the right tempo. So it's very important.